Hi Dressed Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Life is Butter with you to celebrate Valentine's. So let's get started. To draw this cute pun, let's first start by drawing our toast. So I'm just going to start by basically drawing a big curve and a wobble all the way across for the top of the toast. So I'm just going to start right here and just round off the top of my toast. And don't worry, you can draw your toast however you like, whatever kind of shape toast you want. So then about right there, I'm going to dip in a little bit and then come right back out just like the other side. And once again, just round it off like my other side. I'm just going to drag this point across just to make sure I end about the same area. And that's my goal right now. And come right back down. So just whatever shape toast you want, you can have those just round plain ones or the squarish one, it's all up to you. Okay, from there, I'm just going to come in here and dip it in a little bit and then go straight down. So same thing here. Now I'm going to start to dip it in just like the other side and go straight down. And then about right here, I'll go ahead and round it off just like the other side. And then now that I'm about the same level at the bottom, I'm just going to go round it off and then wobble slightly towards the center and then connect. There, your basic slice of toast, right? Slice of bread. Then let's come in here and draw the crust part. So I'm going to come right here underneath this. The top part is going to be thicker. I'm just going to follow my top, and as I come to this side, I'm going to come thinner. I'm going to draw it thinner right here. So the top is thicker. So just follow my top. And then as I come to this side, it's going to get thinner. Then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and once again follow my outside all the way around. There, finally done. Okay, so then now to bring it alive, right? And make it extra cute. I'm going to come in this area right here and start with some eyes. So I'm going to start with a circle right here. And another one. Come right across, say about right here. And draw another circle. And I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes. So let's come in here with two small circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. So if you love pun art, definitely check out my pun art playlist. And if you love Valentine's drawings that are cute and with lots of love, definitely check out my Valentine's playlist as well. And lines at the bottom. Now that I have the eyes in, let's come above each eye. I'm just going to draw a soft curve above each eye. And then in the center, I thought it'd be really cute just have this mouth with a tongue sticking out. So say about right here, I'll just go curve and curve up and bring it right back in for the tongue. And then right in here, you can just draw a little line and then cap it off. There, yum. Or you could just put a smile, whatever you like. Just hope this really inspires you. Okay, so then now to draw the really cute part where we have to draw the little butter, right? So I wanted to make this butter a heart shape because it is inspired for Valentine's. So I'll come about right here and I'll just give myself a point and I'm going to come right down to say about right here. I'm at a slant, so it just makes it easier for me to draw my heart. So I'm going to go ahead and just draw this nice round soft butter heart. And towards the end right here, I'm just going to round it off. So same thing here. Towards the end, just round it off because we're trying to make it soft like butter, right? Okay, so then from there, let's add some dimension so it looks like butter. So about right here, I'm just going to add a little curve. Hopefully that will make it look like it has some depth. And right here, I'll bring in a curve as well. And just bring it in. There. A thin slice of butter. Okay, so then from there, to make it look even more like butter, hopefully, we're just going to add some drizzle. So let's say kind of like melted, right? And then especially when you color it, we'll definitely know this is butter. Now it's kind of hard, right? Okay, so a little drizzle right here, and then let's bring it to life. So since it's at an angle, I'm also going to make my eyes at an angle. So right here, just draw a soft curve. And same thing, come right across right here. And give it a little flick at the end if you like. And two line, little curve on top of each eye. And then of course a sweet, happy smile. So I'll curve it up a little bit and bring in a U. Little tongue right there and shade this all in. There, nice and happy. And then to bring them together, let's say about right here, I'll bring in some arms for our toast. So let's come to the other side, about right here. And so now we're gonna say about right here, right, for the heart. So we're gonna connect and connect. So say about right here. I just want to make sure I have it in the right places. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and connect them. And just thicken the ends. The simplest way. There. So hopefully that looks like they're holding hands. And same thing here. And thicken the end. There. Maybe I should have brought this one higher, huh? Now that I look at it. Okay, wait, hold on 1 second. Let's do this. I think this looks better. Makes a little bit more sense. Okay, so then I'm going to come in here really quickly and just wipe this out. And hopefully that looks a little bit better. And that is pretty much it for this Life is Better with You button art to celebrate Valentine's. I really hope you love how this turned out, and I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.